Hey guys, I'm gonna take you along with me for a home sale inspection. I'm doing late on Friday. I'm kind of dodging rain, but let's go take a look at it and see if we can find anything wrong with it. I mean, basically that's my job when I go to these, to find whatever's wrong. Here we go.
Should be
Right over here.
It's a nest. Is that okay?
Yeah, now is the outdoor part, is it in the backyard? All right, we're gonna turn on the fan, go up in the attic, and see what it's doing. Sweet access. See if we can tell how old this is. 2015, so 9 years old. See what kind of motor we have. We have us an ECM. There's no capacitor to check, but we can still check amp draw and bearings and stuff like that. I've got 2 amps. And so 6.0 is my full load amps. That pulled out nice and easy. Now let's just check the bearings. There's a little bit of play. Blower wheel's a little bit dirty. I want to come over here and take a look inside. Coil is mostly clean. I do see some build up on part of it. All right, that drain should come out. Here it is. I didn't see a P-trap. There it is right there. We're going around to the condenser to check pressures, amp draws, bearings, capacitors, stuff like that. icing up and stripes. Check pressures real quick. I've got, show you what I'm seeing. Valve cap missing on both sides. There is a good bit of oil around this valve cap. Alright, we have us, oh my, I didn't mean to do that. 2015 4-ton. Let me take a picture of that before I mess it up some more. R410. And that is a low head pressure for R410. That should be over 300. These stripes of icing up are another sign of that, possibly. And it's not just stripes. Not even going all the way around. Alright, so we know it's low on refrigerant. Possibly had a leak right here. Alright, we have 3 capacitors to check here. We have a hard start kit and let me see, this is supposed to be a 5. Short that out, short that out, and short that out. Hold on a sec. I think that should be over here. And that so that should be start. And that should be start, and this one that's not a regular potential relay. It's wired differently. Let's go ahead and check our capacitors. Switch that to microfarads. And come on. 3.3? Am I reading that right? That was kind of hard for me to see. .3 microfarads. Holy smokes. No wonder it needs a hard start kit. So it needs, wait a minute, why do we have a 5? That right there is reading 5, so why in the world do we have an extra 5 over here? That makes no sense. That 5 is good. All they need is a 70 and 5. Do away with this. Speaking of which, I'm about to test that one. And that's kind of weak. All right, let's check this start capacitor. Might not need it if you got a good run cap. Yes, I'm checking this with the resistor in place. .302 microfarads. Come on, where's my 270 to 324? So that's good. You don't necessarily have to cut that resistor out to test it. This one's good. I need to do a leak search now. I purposely left that pull down staircase down to make it easy to go back up there. Well, this coil has been replaced at least once. That leak I found outside may be our problem. that air out just a little bit and go back. I'm getting 1 bar on that. One bar. Another bar. Oh my, I got 2 bars on that. I gotta let that zero out again. Go back down here. Getting 2 bars. 2 bars. I'm picking up something everywhere I go. It's kind of hard to pinpoint a leak when it's going off everywhere. Let's try this one, see how it does. All right, that other leak detector didn't pick up anything, but is known for not picking up anything when there is something. Oh my word, did y'all see that? I had like 5 or 6 bars. I'm gonna let this air out again, and we're gonna try that again just to confirm we do have a leak. All right. I believe it. Well guys, as y'all know, that was a home sale inspection, and because it's a home sale, they're probably going to opt for repair instead of replace, which is something that I prefer to do most of the time anyway. But the cost of that coil, oh my word, I tell you, it was like $1,200 before tax, my cost. So you can imagine when I add tax to it, and then markup, and then your capacitor, your service valve caps, refrigerant, welding materials, and labor and all that stuff, that's an expensive repair. That repair costs as much as what I used to install a 3-ton for about 4 or 5 years ago. It's expensive, but I hope I get the job. If I do, I'll bring y'all along. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you hadn't already, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.